they're coming up on the fort.
So what's your plan for getting in? All right, you got the easy part. Yeah, what? I'm going to use my incredibly toned pecs and buttocks to throw you over the wall. Go!
Oh, that won't work.
Might have to adjust my angle. No, you're not adjusting anything. I have a better idea.
This tree will help.
Okay, if we carefully project our impact point, we should be able to see it.
Oh!
Got a splinter.
That's not good.
Whoa!
Oh, now on top of the roof and he's inside the fort. Uh-oh, a dog staring at him. Run!
It's always the tiny ones that really hurt.
Better do something, Reggie. Oh, play with the remote. It's got a beam of light. Aha, lean back and forth, back and forth.
Did anybody see you? Jake!
What's he doing?
This is amazing! Jake! This is incredible! I can't seem to catch this dot.
Come on.
Oh, that hurt.
Lead him outside the fort. Aha.
You gotta try this incredible workout. One of us may have to do some recon to get a better look. Really? Little nautical trick I picked up. 38% more magnification.
Imagination telescope. They're going away.
Okay, I'm gonna rig the powder barrels by the weapons shed. You rig the barrels in the wagon. We'll blow the place sky high.
Yes.
The weapons?
The weapons?
No Thanksgiving. Move out.
Yeah, no Thanksgiving either. Alright, gonna move out. Use the fuses on one barrel at a time. Take the one to the weapons shed. And take this one to the wagon. Oh. Don't wake up, Captain Standish. Easy does it with the fuse.
For me, I don't want to wear short pants. No. He sleep with his eyes open. It's creepy.
Ugh. Sleep with his eyes open.
Powder horn.
Grandpa Jake, tell us the story again about the horn.
That old chestnut.
Okay, swap out that powder horn with the corn.
I think the space turkey has gone crazy.
Aha. Free those turkeys.
Stupid butts.
Sneak out of the fort, grab a torch.
What is that? Somebody named Ranger might need a little proof.
I need some proof. There it goes. Wind up the fuse. Yes, the weapon shed's destroyed.
That's one. What is it?
Over the wagon. Ooh.
That's two. We did it!
Oh no, leaving a trail of powder.